how to use private browsing on Safari on your MacBook, either in Safari or Google Chrome. Now, to use private browsing on your Safari browser or your Google Chrome browser on your MacBook, whether it is MacBook Pro, M1, M2, M4 Mini Pro, or any of the other device, the process is the same because macOS runs the same way. First, let's get started with Google Chrome. Supposing that you have got Google Chrome and you want to browse in private mode or incognito, once you open your browser, on the top right hand side, you can see the three dots icon. Just click the three dots icon and there you'll find an option that says new incognito window. When you open that up, you will be able to browse in incognito. This is for your Google Chrome. But what about for Safari? Now for Safari, you simply open up your Safari browser. There is no three dots icon or anything. So instead, at the very top, you can see all these menu options of Safari. So there you can go to this file option. So when you go to file from the top left, there you can see the option new private window. So you have to just select new private window. And as you've done that, you can see we've successfully started private browsing on Safari. This way you can actually enable private browsing on either your Safari or Google Chrome on your MacBook. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.